going to show you how I made these delicious salmon patties. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my pink salmon patties. So first is the ingredients: some pepper, some Old Bay, some paprika, some parsley, some garlic, some Salmon, some minced peppers, onions I just chopped up, and you're gonna need 2 eggs. So here we go. First thing I like to do is fry my vegetables, because when you take a bite into the patty, you don't want like some of them hot and then some of them to be cold. So I like to fry them up. So that's what I'm about to do. So okay, here's my vegetables. Just frying them, stir frying them up a little bit. As you can see, they're nice and juicy, not burnt. Don't want to have no burnt vegetables. So good. So right here, I'm just taking out the bones. They're real tiny, but it's not that hard to get out. It's right here. Looks like this. So you gotta take them out and just keep, digging in there to take it out. So I took all the bones out, and now I got the 2 eggs. Let's get together. Then I'm gonna start putting the seasoning and all that stuff. Oh yeah, and I forgot the breadcrumbs. Don't forget the breadcrumbs. Got the salmon in, your onions, peppers. And then I'm just gonna eyeball some breadcrumbs. And then add the seasoning. So here's the seasoning. I added pepper, garlic, paprika, Old Bay, Salmon, and yeah. Now you're gonna mix it up. Then you make it into, get a scoop of it, and then you just start to shape. Just make a few ready, because your oil should be getting hot right now. Me, I like to make them small, so that's too big for me. So start off small, like a little ball. Yeah, I like to make them in bowls instead of flatten it, because sometimes it gets separated. So I like to keep them in bowls so it can stay in a patty shape while it's frying. So I like to scoop it up with the spoon, because this thing is going to get hot. So let them fry up nice and brown. Salmon patties. Salmon patties. So right here, you just gonna flip him. Boom. And also just have a plate ready with paper on it to catch the oil, so when you're done you could just boom boom. Also just have your salmon patties already made, so when you're finished with the first batch you can start the next one. And here you go, guys, some nice hot fresh salmon patties. Easy to make, simple dinner. It's gonna be great.
Like
And
subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Check it out.